Through raging storms and endless nights, I keep my flame from losing light. Though shadows try to claim my way, I rose again with each new day, for strength was born from what I faced. The winds have torn, the waters roared, yet still I stood, my spirit soared. Each scare a tale, each bruise a song that whispered softly, "You are strong." For pain became my hidden grace. I learned to dance when hope seemed gone, to breathe through fear and still hold on. Each fall refined, each tear unsealed, the power within that time revealed. Survival wrote its name in time. No easy road, no quiet rest, yet every trial built my chest. The heart that was once frail and weak now carries mountains when they speak, for faith has carved my destiny. So here I stand, unbroken, free, a living proof of victory, not just alive, but born anew. Through every darkness, my spirit grew. Survival made me whole again. Yes.